Describe the effects of sunlight, nutrition, hormonal secretions, and exercise on bone development and growth by Latifa. Bone development begins in the first few weeks of prenatal development and continues development through adulthood. The formation of bones occurs when bone tissue, bone matrix replaces connective tissue. Intramembranous bones originate within sheet-like layers of connective tissue. Endochondral bones begin with masses of hyaline cartilage and later replace bone tissue. The formation of bone is called ossification, as you can see in the graph up at the top. Now that we understand how bones form, let's talk about the effects of sunlight, nutrition, hormonal secretions, and exercise have on bone development and growth. It gives off ultraviolet light, which helps develop an inactive form of vitamin D that can be processed by the liver and kidney to become an active form of vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential to the absorption of calcium, which keeps the bone matrix from softening and causing deformities like rickets in children. Proper nutrition is very important in bone development. The growing bones need vitamin A and vitamin C to develop normally. Vitamin A is needed for osteoblast and osteoclast activity, and without it, bone development would slow and halt. Vitamin C is needed for collagen synthesis. If deficient, osteoblasts cannot produce enough collagen, which collagen makes up about 90% of the bone protein. Less abundant bone proteins are osteocalcin, which is activated by vitamin K to bind calcium, which is part of the compound. Osteonectin binds hydroxyapatite, and collagen stimulates mineral crystal decomposition in bone. Osteopontin speeds up bone remodeling. Bone morphogenetic proteins induce bone and cartilage formation. Hormone secretion affects bone growth and development. The pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, which stimulates division of cartilage cells in the epithelial plates. Without enough growth hormone, long bone of limbs development will fail to develop normally, resulting in pituitary dwarfism. Thyroxine is the thyroid hormone that stimulates replacement of cartilage in epithelial plates of long bones and increases cellular metabolism. Both male testosterone and female estrogens from the testes and ovaries promote the formation of bone tissue. These are causing bones to grow considerably, but also causing the growth to stop at a relatively early age of bones. Physical stress or exercise stimulates causes the skeletal muscles to contract, pull at their attachments on bones, and that stress causes the bone tissue to strengthen or thicken, which is called hypertrophy. Lack of exercise causes the bone tissue to become thinner and weaker, which is called atrophy. And that concludes this short explanation of the effects of sunlight, nutrition, and hormonal secretion